Okay. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, good afternoon, everyone, children. So, till yesterday we have learned that is our body. So, 2 days we revised our body, that is Unit 3. That is our body. That is systems. The systems of the body. The systems of body is the lessons. Till from 2 days we are learning this lesson only. Why? Because it is very big. So, and also systems. There are so many systems in our body. It like a systems, organs, as well as in our body. The part to part, it has so many systems of our body. That may be first organs, respiratory system, digestive system, examples these two. Next we are moving to the skeleton system. In that we have skull, backbone, rib cage. Next after that the lips. So here after that the lips also we have. So here now children, after that we went to the joints. Ante mana yoka body lo enni present unnayo chudandi. How many are there? See, look up the joints. So here we have learned the joints. Joints ante manam part lo ప్రతి ఒక్క పార్ట్లో చెస్ట్ దగ్గర అయినా సరే, హ్యాండ్లో అయినా సరే, లెగ్స్లో అయినా సరే, దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ జాయింట్ టు మూవ్ ఫ్రీలీ. జాయింట్స్ ఎందుకు ఉన్నాయి? టు మూవ్ అవర్ బాడీ ఫ్రీ. సో ఇన్మూవబుల్ జాయింట్ ఒకటే ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ the like a bone of a skull, only one, that is which allow no movements, that is known as the bone of a skull. Next movable, there are 4: ball and socket joint, that is a 4 movable. Next hinge joint, pivot joint. Next gliding joint. These 4 we have learned yesterday how they will be moved. So next muscles we have learned yesterday, that are, so how many types of muscles we have? Types of muscles 3, that is skeleton, smoothie muscles, cardiac muscles. So here this match the following also I repeated you. Next we went to the how do muscles work, how they will work in the, how they will work our body. So how it helps to work our body, with what help. So how we have to stand, how we have to sit. So when we keep our right position of standing or sitting, so our body will work very good in time. So nervous system also yesterday I have been completed. So it is a main part of our body, that is brain part. So it carry messages for us. It carries messages, and whatever it important news is there, it will carry in our brain, that is nervous system. So after that we have learned nerves. So these will be helpful in the how it helps to our body. Every part of our body it will also help. It may be neck and also brain. Directly it while it parts is moving joint indirectly through the spinal cord. Next it carrying message to the brain. So this is nerves. So nervous system, nerves we have been completed till here. So here there are 3 kinds of nerves. There are 3 kinds. How many kinds? 3 kinds. So of nerves. So first one is sensory nerves, motor nerves. So yesterday these 3 also I have been completed for you, I think, children's. Mixed now also I completed. Today I have to tell for you about brain. So about brain I have to tell. So once again I will repeat for you: 3 nerves, mixed nerve, sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. These 3 how they function to our brain, that also I explained. Today I have to explain for you about brain. So how these, so sensory, once again I will explain. The nerves which connected to the sense organs bring message to sense organ, brings through the brain and spinal cord. So sensory, how it will be connected to the sense organ, it brings through the brain, spinal cord. Next it is called sensory nerves. The message is interrupted by brain and unable to see, hear, smell and taste and touch. So it is interrupted by the brain. It is enables to see, hear and taste the touch. So motor, this is it carries order to the brain and the spinal cord. So mixed, these nerves are both, it has mixed to the functions. They carry message to the brain and will carry from the orders to the brain. It will carry the message. Next, it orders. It gives order to the brain. So 3 kinds of nerves also we have. Next we are moving to the brain. So what is brain? Everyone know. It is a main part of our body, brain. Mana yokka medadu. If we have, so this is our body. If we don't have eyes, we are not fulfill. Next, hands. One hand is there, one hand no. So the fulfill when we will get our sense organs are all over are very good and fitted. It may be eyes, nose, ear, lips, tongue, whatever it may be in our organs. So whatever it may be. So now we will learn about brain. In the brain, you know, brain has main 3 parts. That it is a main or brain ke 3 main parts: cerebellum, cerebellum, medulla. These are the 3 main parts of a brain. So how it controls? Now we will see brain. Brain is the main control center of the body. It is a main control of the body. It is the main control center of the body. Next, the brain controls the body receiving and giving message. It controls receiving and giving message from different body parts inform the brain what is needed by the body. Messages from the different body parts, message from the different body parts, it will be informed if whatever it may be needs to our body. It responds, the brain inform, it respond and the brain inform the different body parts what to do and how to do. So it informs. So brain, see one thing. So now I am telling this lesson for you. How I am telling? With the help of my intelligent and my brain only. So first I will prepare myself. I have been read. నేను చదువుకున్నాను. నేను చదివింది మాత్రమే నాకు చెప్పింది మా టీచర్స్. Now I am telling to you only. So that is the how it carry from one body to another. It respond and from one brain how it give information to other brain. So whatever our brain will tell for you, we will do that work perfectly. The brain is not only things gives reason to remember, but also control the movement of body. It observes all sorts of action done or needed by our body. So everyone know, with the help of brain only, we will be very perfectly. So if brain is not there, if కొంతమందికి మతి స్థిమితం ఉండదు, so they don't have brain because they don't have any. if మతి స్థిమితం లేకపోతే మాట్లాడగలుగుతారా, ఏదైనా ఆలోచించగలుగుతారా, ఏదైనా పని చేయగలుగుతారా? No, we can't do it. Why? Because we don't have brain there. So brain is a main part of our body, one of the main part of our body. It controls our body to do actions, whatever it may be. If we want to dance, so we will see the lyrics first. మనం అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం మన యొక్క బ్రెయిన్తో. దాన్ని చూసి ఇలా ఆడుతుంది, తర్వాత నా మెమొరీలోకి వెళ్తుంది, తర్వాత నేను ఆ యాక్షన్ as well I will repeat. So this is the brain works, how it works. Next, controlling whatever we are doing. మనం ఆవేశంతో మన బ్రెయిన్తో చాలా ఆలోచిస్తాం, చేస్తాం, పనులు చేస్తాం, చేయబడతాం, చేపిస్తాం. That is our brain. How it controls and how it gives message to us and how with the movement of our body also it will only tell. Next, it observes all actions and I told you it will observe the actions. Now also I am telling one thing. I am writing. So system, how I know? With the help of brain. System. I learn the system of the body. Next, I have been learned, I know. So I am telling for you here on my own explanation. So that is with the help of my brain. The help of my brain I am telling you. So here the brain, the diagram of brain is there. Children, once look at here. This is cerebrum. What is this? Is cerebrum. This is cerebellum. So this is the cerebellum. This is medulla. This is the part of 3 main parts of a brain: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So 3 parts which one are important for in the brain. So the brain has 3 main parts. So I told for you, the brain has 3 main parts. So here it has main 3 parts, that is cerebrum. First one is cerebrum. The second one is cerebellum. medulla. So these are the three main parts. So children, I will explain you. First one is cerebrum. Okay, first I will explain you about cerebrum. So it is the main largest part of the brain. So it is the largest. So what is cerebrum? It is the largest part of the brain. So it is the largest part of the brain. Listen here carefully about a brain we are learning. So cerebrum is, what is the cerebrum? It is a very largest part of our brain. So next, it receives signals from the sense organs, tells us what to do. So it receives signals to our sense organs that we have to, whatever it will tell, we have to do it. Which part that is? Cerebrum. It is the center of our intelligence. So I told for you, it is the center of our intelligence. Whatever now we will do any work, the project work may be on our own. Nowadays children are very growing in the playing. That may be so many girls and boys. It may be the boys or girls, whatever, whoever may be, they are very intelligent in some professionals. That may be chess playing or anything. So like that only, cerebrum is the main part of our, largest part of our brain. It receives the signals, that is the sense organs, and tell us what to do, and it is the center of our intelligence. It is the center of our intelligence. Next, it controls memory, thinking and reason. So here it controls our memory, thinking and reasonings. So it is the largest part, cerebrum. Now we will go to cerebellum. The second one is cerebellum. It lies below the cerebrum. It lies here. We have shown in the picture. It lies under it down of the cerebrum. It is telling lies. It controls muscles and helps to balance during walking, cycling, jogging, dancing and so on. So how it helps? It lies below the cerebrum. It controls muscles. It will control muscles to help balance during walking. You know, walking ante nadavadam, cycling, cycle tokkadam, dancing, jogging cheyadam. Indulo ivannitlo cerebellum help chestundanta. How it control our balance in the muscles. So next, medulla. It is the bottom part of the brain. It is the bottom part of our brain. Bottom ante here in the picture, bottom, kinda bhagam. Okay, this is the bottom of our brain. It controls all involuntary movement of our body. It controls, adi em control chestundi? Involuntary movements of our body. It is a whatever movements, involuntary movements is there, it will be control of our involuntary movements of our body. It will be controls. Next, it controls the muscles for breathing. It controls, then also it controls the muscles of our breathing, heartbeat, digestion. ఈ మెడుల్లా ఏమేమి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది? So first one, it is the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum, it is cycling, jogging. Next, going towards, it controls breathing, medulla breathing, heartbeat and digestion. So now we have learned about cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. These are the brain of three main parts. The main brain ki main three parts, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. So children, everyone know about brain now. What is the largest part? That is cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. So you have to remember it, children. So a small formative assessment is there, that you do it in the homework, very easy. Just is telling to 3 minutes, then cover the pictures and write down the names of all items. Remember seeing the pictures. Just is giving to our brain, మన యొక్క బ్రెయిన్కి వర్క్ చెప్పాడు. ఇవి మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఫాస్ట్గా అక్కడ రాయండి అని. rat, apple, fan, needle, banana. So like that, a small formative assessment I am giving for your homework. That is page number 56. Okay, in the TB textbook you have to write. So after that we are going to spinal cord. So we are moving to the spinal cord. What is meant by spinal cord? So here it is like a tail lagundi spinal cord. So it is like a jerry spinal cord is like that. So once we will see what is the spinal cord. So it like this. So this is the spinal cord, just I have drawn here. Spinal cord is formed by large group of nerves. So here what is telling, this spinal cord is a large group of nerves. It has been formed a large group of nerves. So it is the thick cord. You are seeing here ikkada chala sannaga undi, chala thick. So cord like bundle of nerve cells. So it is a bundle of nerve cells. Ante oka bundle of kattal ela anta mana bunch like that only. It is also with the nerve cells. It is a bundle. Message travel along spinal cord. It's travel the message. It travels message to the spinal cord for the brain. It travels along the spinal cord to for the brain. With the help of this only messages will be passes through the brain. Next, the spinal cord like connecting cable. It is a connecting cable for TV. How we will connect the TV cable? We will get the channels like that only. It is the connection to the spinal cord is like a connection. Okay, so next it connects the nerves to the brain. It all will be connected to the brain with the help of nerves. So reflex action. What is mean by reflex action? We will learn. రిఫ్లెక్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఏదన్నా సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది మన యొక్క బాడీకి, ఎలా రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతాయో చూద్దాం. మన యొక్క బాడీకి రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాక్షన్ ఎలా అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ చాలా ఇచ్చారు. సో the atomic response of body to an event called reflex action. Reflex action are due to message sent by spinal cord. So how it will be sent? Due to the action of the spinal cord. Okay. So here now we will learn reflex action. So the atomic response of our body event. So our body atomic example, ఏదైనా చిన్న గాయం తగిలినా మన యొక్క బాడీకి తెలుస్తుంది. సురుకు తగిలినా, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి యాక్సిడెంట్. సో రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ టు ద హోల్ బాడీ we will it a reflex action. So reflex action is due to the message sent to the spinal cord. It will be sent by the spinal cord. These action are very fast. So this action is reflex action is very fast. It will, if you touch an object accidentally, you withdraw your hand almost immediately. Let us see how reflex action works. So I told you మన యొక్క బాడీ తొందరగా ఏదైనా వస్తువు అయినా సరే, వేడి పదార్థం అయినా సరే, ఏదైనా దెబ్బ తగిలితే మన యొక్క బాడీకి తెలిసిపోతుంది, బికాజ్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాక్షన్. సో హియర్ లెట్ us see రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాక్షన్ హౌ ఇట్ వర్క్స్. సో ఇక్కడ స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చారు మీకు, నేను వర్టిబ్రేట్స్, స్పైనల్ కార్డ్, మోటార్ నర్వ్ ఫైబర్స్, సెన్సరీ నర్వ్ ఫైబర్స్, మజిల్స్. హియర్ థర్మల్, రెస్పిరేటరీ ఇన్ ద స్కిన్, హాట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. వెన్ హీ టచ్ ద హాట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, మనం వేడి వాటర్ అయినా వేడి పాలైనా ఏదైనా ముట్టుకుంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇలా మజిల్స్ నుంచి, తర్వాత సెన్సరీ నుంచి ఈ యొక్క స్కిన్ ముట్టుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ యొక్క వేడిదనం ఎలా స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోతుందో చూడండి. ఇక్కడికి టచ్ అవుతుంది, అబ్బా అంటాం, మెసేజ్ అవర్ బ్రెయిన్, అబ్బా ఇక్కడికి దిమ్మది ఎరిగిపోయింది అంటాం. జస్ట్ మనకి ఏదైనా వేడి నీళ్ళు పడ్డాయి అనుకో, మన బ్రెయిన్ వరకు వెళ్ళి అబ్బా దిమ్మ తిరిగిపోయింది అని చెప్తా, ఇలా ఇక్కడ వరకు సెంట్ అవుతాయి. ఫ్రమ్ ద త్రూ అవర్ హ్యాండ్, ఇట్ మే బి అవర్ leg it may be. So it will passes through like that. So message of the brain, it passes to ouch. This is known as reflex action. So this is known as reflex action. Now we are moving to the sense organs. So now we are moving to the sense organs. What is meant by sense organs? Now we will learn. So here our sense organs help to see, hear, taste, smell and touch. Everyone know, small children also know what is the sense organ of our body. If we tell small children first to see 4th 3rd class children and also UKG children also, eyes, nose, teeth, lips, they will explain us. So like that only here the sense organs, how they help to hear, touch వినడానికి, స్మెల్ చూడడానికి, మాట్లాడడానికి, టేస్ట్ తెలియడానికి మన యొక్క సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ హీ గేవ్ ఫర్ అస్ ఓన్లీ టు డూ ఇట్. సో నౌ కంప్లీట్ ద సెంటెన్సెస్ హీ గివెన్ ఇయర్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇయర్. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్ వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ? లిజన్. మనం వింటాం, ఏం వచ్చినా పాటలైనా సరే, లెసన్ అయినా సరే, తిట్లైనా సరే, ఏదైనా బ్యాండ్ సౌండ్ అయినా సరే, ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మనం దేంతో వింటాం? మన యొక్క చెవుతో. దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇయర్ హెల్ప్ అస్ టు హియర్. ఇయర్స్ హెల్ప్ అస్ టు ఇయర్, దే ఆల్సో హెల్ప్ అస్ టు కీప్ అవర్ బ్యాలెన్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ చెవులు, దట్ ఈజ్ ఇయర్స్. సో సెకండ్ వన్ దట్ ఈజ్ టంగ్. ఇట్ హెల్ప్ అస్ టు టేస్ట్. మన యొక్క నాలుక మనకేం చూపిస్తుంది? టేస్ట్ చూపిస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఐస్. The third one is eyes. The eyes help us to see various objects around us. మన కళ్ళు దేనికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి? చుట్టుపక్కల ఏమున్నాయి, మన ఎదురుగా ఏముంది, వెనకాల ఏముంది, మన ముందేముంది, మన బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ అయినా విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ టీవీ, టెలివిజన్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, వి సీ విత్ అవర్ ఐస్. నెక్స్ట్ నోస్. వి సీ విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ నోస్ వాట్ వి విల్ సీ? స్మెల్స్. సో మన యొక్క నోస్తో వి విల్ సీ smell of variety of objects. It may be biryani, it may be bad smell, it may be good smell, whatever smells it may be, we will see the help of our sense organ, that is our nose. Tiny nerves ending of the fingers help us to feel the things. So in the reflex action, how we have known? With the help of our hand, fingers. So this is the fingers. So with the help of fingers it will be feel. Tiny nerves will be end of the fingers, we will feel. So now we have been completed for 3 days, that is our body lesson. So system of organs also we have been completed. Now the lesson is, see how a large parts of our body are present in our body and how it works, how many are there. So we have learned in these 3 days. So for 3 days we have been completed this lesson. So now children, we'll go to summative assessment. So here tick the correction option, that is page number 58. We are moving to summative assessment. First bit number A. The first one is the hardest part of our body that protects the brain, skull. The first one is skull, that is C. The second one is bones are joined together by tight tissue called bone marrow, that is bone marrow, that is B. So the third one is muscles are attached to bones by the strong fiber called tendons, that is A. So the fourth one is the main control center of our body is brain. So till now we have learned about brain, the main control of our body, that is brain. Whatever first the main part that will control our body, whole body, its control to do any action or reaction, that is our brain. So here the lesson bit number 2, that are the answer the following questions. What is an organic system? Name any organ system of human body. The second one is give the functions of a skeleton. What is a joint? Describe the different types of joint on our body. What is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles? How does brain convey message to different body parts? Next, match the following is there. So this is the last bit of the lesson. This is the end of the lesson. So that is bit number C. That is bit number C. Match the following: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those 6 are there. That is first one is heart. Second one is lungs, stomach, bone, nerves, muscles. So these are the 6 parts he given. He is asking to match with A. That may be A1 is digestive system, B nervous system, the C1 is circulatory system, the D1 is muscular system, the E1 is skeleton system, respiratory system. So he is asking to match these all systems to the first one is heart. Which one is the heart one is? It will be circulatory system. Lungs, it is going to respiratory system. Stomach, digestive system. Bones, skeleton system. So it is skeleton. Nerves, again it is nerve system. Next, muscles to the muscular system. So these are the systems matching with this bit number A to, so bit number 1 to bit number A. So these are the completion of the lesson. So children, I hope everyone understood my lesson. For the 3 days we have been completed the lesson number 6. So formative assessment, so little bit you also keep your brain. So this is class 5, little bit you also keep your brain and write question answers that whatever I told in your classes, and as well as you also use your brain now to write question answers. So thank you very much children to listen my lesson, and if you don't have books, please take the books, because with the help of books only you can read it, you can do any work. So thank you very much children, thank you for all.